So in this video, we will go through the barcode lookup integration, which is a built-in integration inside Odoo Enterprise. So I'll go to, first I'll go to settings and then search. I'll just search for barcode. And you will need to encode your API key. And the API key, you can get that by going to BarcodeLookup.com and signing up for an account there. So I'll go ahead and put in my API key and save that. And what I'm also going to do next is to make sure that I have variants checked here, like so. So now I'll go to inventory and go to products, and I'm going to put in a barcode number, and from there that you will see that everything is automatically populated. And if you look at the attributes and variants, you'll see different attributes like manufacturer, brand, and size is already automatically configured. So let's do another example. I'm going to click on new, and again I'm going to put in the barcode. And as you can see, again, everything is properly filled in, and you will see the manufacturer and the size again.